Guys, before we get into today's video, I want to describe for you the issues I've had through the last 10 years of e-commerce. And I want to specifically point out the issue of support. Now, I have hired the best staff that cost a lot of money. I've also hired a less paid staff that still can do the job, but it wasn't driving sales. Now, the reason I bring this up is because it doesn't matter who you hire. Whether you go for the top tier of customer support, they are going to miss sales. They're going to miss some messages. They're going to want days off. They're going to take holidays. Now, in today's market, we have AI tools everywhere. I have found for you, and the reason I'm making this video is I have found an AI chatbot perfect for Shopify. It also integrates into many other e-commerce platforms, but perfect for what I do on Shopify that takes away the need to have any staff at all. Now, I'm not saying you need to fire everyone. I'm saying some people could manage it, but you do not need people to take holidays, people to have emergencies at home that cannot answer that customer support. You can now have a chatbot that drives sales and also gives the right information in seconds. Because most e-commerce chat is just support. They're actually not trying to drive sales. They're trying to solve the problem you've got so you could be happier and possibly go and buy something. This AI bot is built to drive you into a sale by giving you support and giving you the information and not letting you just walk away, showing you other things you might be interested in. It's very unique. I'm going to give you a full review and I'm going to show you this live on a store that I found the chatbot. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. If you don't want to watch me talking to a chatbot, that's absolutely fine. Just see the website I go on, hit the links down below, go and test it for yourself. But if you want to see it in full review, let's dive into it. Guys, please always know, if you're in the e-commerce space, things are going to be changing every month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. You need to adapt. And right now, the new adaptation is getting an AI chatbot integrated into your store. This is the best one on the market. Let me show you. So here you can see, guys, on the chatty.net website, the AI first chat platform for e-commerce sales. Now, I am going to be showing you, like I said, an actual review. I'm going to use this chatbot so you can see, but I just wanted to give you a quick update. They're trusted by industry leaders everywhere, okay? They say very clear, they do not sell you another chat app. This is more than a chat app, guys, all right? This is the innovative technology that's going to help drive sales for stores and also help you buy the right product if you're a customer. So no more wasted weeks training staff, customers leaving you because you don't get them. This AI actually suggests products right in the chat so you can stop losing sales when you're offline. Now, how does all of this work? Instead of just reading this off you and saying, hey, look, Decathlon's got over $1 million assisted revenue, 20% chat to sale rate, and 95% AI resolution rate, I'm actually going to show you right now. So let me go to a store that has this installed. That is gadket.co.uk. You can see at the bottom right here, chat with us. Now, very, very exciting. So let's act as if we are a customer right now. So you can see the full chatbot in review. So we're going to go to, let's go mobile phones and let's go with iPhone 16. Okay, I'm now a customer. I am now trying to shop for an iPhone 16. Maybe because the 17 is a little bit too expensive, but let's first go in with the chatbot. Now, how many times have you gone into a chatbot on a website and it has been the most boring conversation? Don't understand what you are. All they're doing is reading a script that is going to reply to one word you've said in that sentence. Well, this is different. So let's go to chat now. Okay, we are instantly connected. We've got to put in our email. Okay, once your email is in, you will then be connected to the assistant in less than a couple of seconds. Okay, how can I access you? So I'm going to say here, hey, the iPhone 16, is it an upgrade worth the price compared to my iPhone 15? Just start off with something very, very easy, okay? Takes, what's this, 3 seconds to analyze the query. It's looking up the information so it gives you the correct information instead of just guessing or, again, reading a script like customer support would do, okay? And now it's going to give you the information. So, Haley, that's a great question. Deciding on an upgrade always involves looking at the value, especially with new releases like the iPhone 16. One thing I really like just reading the beginning of this is they're not instantly trying to sell. They're not saying, hey, iPhone 16 is way better because we're going to make way more money in this shop. They're actually just explaining to me the difference. So, compared to the excellent iPhone 15, they're even calling it excellent, which could drive some people, you would think, to not buy it, but they're giving you the real results. I can certainly compare some of the valuable models for you. Based on what's listed, we have the several iPhone 15 models and various iPhone 16, and you can see so on. It gives me a lot of different information. Okay, which specific iPhone model? So now start asking me questions. Let's say I have the Pro. Okay, it's going to ask you questions and start driving you towards a sale, which is really, really unique. But again, they're not just going to drive you to a useless sale. They're going to drive you to a sale that actually you have now asked about, you've got the information about, so you are both in agreement that this is a good sale for you to make. This is how they're going to keep customer retention. Okay, let's give it another example. I'm going to say, hey, let's talk about another product. Do you sell phone cases? Let's ask this. I've not even checked the website. I'm going to ask it straight away. How many times have you gone through all different products, things like that on a website, only to find something right at the end? All right, I understand we definitely have phone case available. Happy to show you what we have. Perfect. So it's showing me clear phone cases. Let's click on one of these. Okay, straight through to the basic phone cases, all the way up to the silicone phone cases. Absolutely insane. Could you provide me a discount? These seem expensive. So again, I'm just going to try and drive an engagement conversation and see how the chatbot reacts. Okay, and they're saying, I totally get wanting a good deal. It's important when protecting your tech. I'm happy to check price reduction and discounts. They're actually going to check them for me. Okay, and you can see here a 50% discount for this is a $4.99, 50% off glass screen protector. So they're already giving me deals. Okay, they can give me a 50% off screen protector. For the phone case, they can't, which is absolutely fine. I can't just expect an AI to randomly generate discounts. But this is a really interesting part. So guys, that is the main function of just easy conversations into the chatbot. So if you're a customer, this is fantastic. So if you're building a store, which is what most of you watching this will be, this is a perfect thing to have. How long would it take, especially paying someone an hour's salary, to ask questions, especially when people divert like I did? Hey, forget that. Let's talk about phone cases. The amount of effort that goes into that is insane. Okay, so that is something really, really interesting to know. I use Chatty specifically because it is built for e-commerce. Okay, it works on Shopify perfectly and it focuses on both support and sales. So it's doing two for you. Now you can see here just from the chat software, it handles more conversation in less time with one powerful inbox, has an omni-channel one inbox to rule them all, so all channels, zero mess. Okay, and it's going to be completely organized. I know for sure through the last 10 years of e-commerce that my teams have missed a lot of sales purely because they just missed the message. And once you reply to someone a day later, they are not looking for that sale anymore. Okay, there is a 24/7 built-in help center knowledge hub. Customers will get the answers and you'll get the time back that you were paying these staff. Now, again, I said it works perfectly with Shopify. That's where I use it, but you can use this with OpenAI. You can use this with many other companies that you see, including Google Cloud, and it will work absolutely seamlessly. All right, if you want to set up and run this in minutes, guys, there's no coding. You simply just connect and train and start selling. Now, I'm actually going to show you in video to how to connect this, how to set it up as a seller in your store. But today's video, I'm going to be making a lot of these, was purely to show you how this works. If you want to test this for yourself, go to gadcet.com, all right, and just talk to the chatbot. You'll see how fast it is. You can see here the replies, just to go over it one more time. Hey, I decided not to get a phone or case. Could you show me anything that's under, let's say, $20 that would interest me while I'm in a shopping mood? Okay, you see how fast they actually do it. So the first thing that happens is they start to analyze it. You see this analyzing, then they're going to look at the information, search for products. This would have took me probably 30 minutes, and here we go. That's completely understandable. It sounds like you're in the mood to browse some great tech bargains. Here's everything under $20. Here we go. Now I can get myself a plug, I can get whatever, and I probably would have just grabbed something because I wanted to shop anyway. So it's a perfect example. So there you have it, guys. Please let me know if you enjoyed the video in the comments, but also more important to me, let me know if this is something that you are going to get started with. I want to know how many people are really taking the time to adapt to the new AI 2026. If you still want to pay staff, that is absolutely amazing. Please make sure you always keep on top of trying to teach them how to drive sales, not just support. If you want to use this chatbot, there is a link down below, guys. Feel free to message them on support, get it all sorted. Stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to install this, or just go and figure it out for yourself. But hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. AI is not the future, it is now.